Rock the Block Daily News. Eugene Tay brought to you. Wanchain, world's first cross-chain solution for financial infrastructure. Well, you guys know the drill already, but more importantly, I want to give a big shout out to the community. Thank you so much for showing us your love. We hit 7.5 thousand views on our last week's review video on EOS, XRP, and Stellar. We are doing this for the community. It's all out of our passion. We don't get paid for any of this, besides Wanchain helping us out with our daily videos. The rest of it is really out from our own time. We have Terrence, who's doing up the content every morning, juggling, writing these daily videos, along with spending time with his family. We have Mo, who's behind the camera half the time, so you don't get to see him as well. And of course, you see Malcolm and Jordan every week here with me, giving you guys the reviews. But besides that, it's all from you guys, all the love from you guys. So give us your comments, but more importantly, you could head down to the description box where we have our Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Wanchain wallet. And if you really want to help us out, do give us some love through a donation. Any amount will be appreciated. Now, that aside, we have one important news to share with you guys, besides the daily headline news, is that Satoshi's white paper 10th year anniversary will be taking place on the 31st of October. That's right, it's been 10 years, guys. So to commemorate this event, Rock the Block will be launching Satoshi's Quest. What is Satoshi's Quest? It's a global treasure hunt, so to speak. We'll be giving you guys clues on our videos, on our partner site. It will be an adventure of a lifetime. Right now, we're starting with 1 BTC, but we aim to hit 50 BTC by the 3rd of January 2019. Why? Because that's also the date 10 years ago where Satoshi mined his first Genesis Bitcoin block and got 50 BTC. Now, all that will be listed on our website. Go check us out, www.rocktheblock.live. And now on Fuddip and Fomoons, back to our daily video, daily headline news. German ICOs have lost 90% of their values, going even lower than the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Only two particular coins that is worthy to be named who really managed to maintain their value. And they are New Fund and a shopping app called Whisker. In Mediasizing the Regulators category, Min Byung-do, a member of South Korea's governing Democratic Party and the chairman of Korea's National Policy Committee, has strongly encouraged the government to legalize initial coin offering and impose better crypto-related regulatory frameworks to legitimize the entire market. He says, regulation is not bad. Regulation is necessary. It is the only way to legitimize the market and allow investors to build trust towards the cryptocurrency market. He cited successful ICOs like Telegram $1.7 billion raise and $4 billion token sale of EOS as examples that have demonstrated the increase in interest and demand for ICO projects, which the country cannot dismiss. But I also like to say something to Chairman Min. If you're thinking about ICOs, you are really 1 year too late. He further added that the government cannot dismiss ICO. It needs to allow companies to conduct ICO, as ICO has become the new trend in global market, and it is the responsibility and the ability of the government to embrace new technologies. Previously, Choi John-koo, the chairman of Financial Service Commission, prevented Kakao, the biggest internet conglomerate, from conducting their ICO, which led Kakao and a lot of other ICO projects to run their ICO outside of Korea. Like for example, Kakao conducted their ICO in Switzerland. Ultimately, Kakao and Bithumb being the second biggest cryptocurrency exchange in South Korea, scrapped their plans to conduct any ICO token sales. In founders and use chains category, global cryptocurrency exchange Binance have invested $2.5 million in a company called TravelbyBit. So who are these guys? TravelbyBit is an Australian blockchain payment provider for the travel industry. So together with Binance and TravelbyBit, they are going to work together to introduce a point-of-sales payment system that will incorporate the blockchain technology into major airports around the world. based out of Queensland, TravelbyBit will enable merchants to accept payments in digital currencies such as Bitcoin. CZ, the CEO of Binance, said that there is no better fit than being able to use crypto when traveling just after landing in a foreign country. And I totally agree with that. How many of you guys have been traveling and right before you fly off, you have to line up at the money changer, get your currency changed? There was one time when I was traveling over to Israel and I didn't have any USD, thinking that my Sing dollar was really mighty, and I was trapped in Tel Aviv with no money because there was no exchange that would accept Sing dollars. Now imagine if I had some cryptocurrency and every other merchant there accepted that. Boom! That is the future of traveling. All the gamers out there, you guys will know this name. Gaming giant Ubisoft is now taking a step into the blockchain space by becoming the inaugural member of the newly formed Blockchain Game Alliance Consortium. Announced on Friday at the Blockchain Game Summit in Lyon, France, the group aims to develop common standards and practices for integrating blockchain technology into video games. This may be the bear market. Everyone's talking about deep tech and protocol and AR and AI, but what everyone is forgetting, that bear market, rain or shine, the one market that will really, never tank, besides prostitution of course, is the gaming market. So good job on these guys taking a leaf out of the playbook and going to the gaming industry and trying to put stuff on the blockchain. Coinbase wants to be valued at $8 billion, making them the largest privately valued company in history. The company is raising $500 million funding from hedge fund Tiger Global. This will exclude any existing investors that they have. Despite the dramatic dip in value in some of the platform cryptocurrency offerings this year, Coinbase was reportedly profitable in 2018. The company has emerged as one of the most prolific acquirers in the crypto sector, with a string of deals designed to bolster its services and fulfill its ambition of creating a one-stop shop that brings crypto to the masses. And in the final category, blockhead lockdown. Cointelligence, the website, if you want to find out more about them, you can go to our website where we have a link to those guys. Cointelligence is one of the websites that we totally respect. Why? Because they made it their business to blow the whistle on scam projects. Oh, we all need that right now. Cointelligence has issued an alert on CFM Coin, citing that this ICO, which happens in 25 weeks' time, could be a scam. And I think Yavin is being very polite in saying could. Like many other scams, CFM Coin is presenting the default app image from the website template as an image of their project's mobile app. Other large warning signs are found all over the website. At this time of investigation, the website contained empty placeholders, some of which still says lorem ipsum. And furthermore, the website contained multiple links that just don't work. As a final additional major warning sign is that this project lacks a team. So if you are foolish enough to invest in this project, you deserve to get burned. Now, if you want to find out more about scam coins or what's going on in the industry that deserves some attention, go check out Cointelligence or just visit our website at www.rocktheblock.live, where we do have their articles listed on our blog. Well, that's all the news I have for you today. Once again, a reminder that 31st October is when the Satoshi's Quest will officially kick off, but you don't really want to wait till 31st to get in on the action. Do go check us out on our website right now at www.rocktheblock.live and get more information on Satoshi's Quest. Well, my name is Eugene Tay, signing out saying trade wisely. Just after landing in a foreign country.